Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Friday, April 1st, 2016, and we are at 12546 Cominger Court in Oregon City, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line, and as you can see, we're outside the home. We are at the back corner of the house, right next to the deck. Just to the right here is a door leading into the garage. Just to the left of that is our clean out. It's a 3-inch ABS plastic line. We're going to go ahead and drop our camera on in there and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. There we are. We're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen, and we'll begin our push all the way out to the city main. At least that's our goal for the morning. A couple of notes about this morning's inspection. This home was built in 1992, and we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built around the same era, so I do expect to see all modern material all the way out to and including in the street. As I mentioned before, currently we're inside of a 3-inch black ABS plastic line. At the moment, the floor of the pipe is at the lower left-hand corner of the screen. But the camera head doesn't self-right, so it may be at the top of the screen in a moment. And as you can see, there is some water on the floor of the pipe. That's because I have a fixture running on the interior of the home. And the reason I run water during our inspection is so we can see the slope of the pipe. It basically gives me an idea of which way the pipe is pointed. One of the more important aspects of a sewer line installation is that it is pointed in the right direction. Coming up on 65 feet here, and so far things look fine. Taking a dive down and leveling out right after 68 feet. And on the lower right hand corner of your screen you see another entrance there to the pipe. That's Test T. Test T is used by the city or by the plumbing inspector to test the line before it's put into service. And then here at 73 feet, you can see we're going to transition to this green colored material. This is known as 3034 PVC, and it looks like it may be slightly larger. You can see that the camera actually drops into this pipe, so that tells me that this is either a 5 or a 6-inch PVC line. 3034 is commonly used underneath rights-of-way such as streets and sidewalks, planting strips and parking strips. It's also a modern material still used today in 2016 to build homes with. First seen in the, probably mid to late 80s, maybe a little bit earlier in a commercial application. Steep dive down here, and there we are. 96, almost 97 feet, we are looking at the city main. And because I haven't seen anything that concerns me along our trip to the main, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video now. I'm not going to recommend any further action, as it would appear this sewer line is functioning very well. Thank you.